Today I'm sharing a piece of my day with a recipe that's as simple as it is revitalizing, my Cucumber Quinoa Seaweed Wrap. Let's slice the cucumber thinly. I love to use cucumbers because they're 95% water. It's like giving your cells a giant glass of water to keep them from wilting. Next, carefully slice away the seed part with a knife. I tend to do this to ensure every bite stays perfectly crisp and refreshing. Slice the cucumber even thinner now. And finely dice them as small as you can. I find that the smaller the pieces, the better they blend with the nutty quinoa. Come with me and let's roughly grind some roasted sesame seeds in a mortar. The aroma is so calming and it adds such a beautiful depth to the bowl. In a large bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, the ground sesame, sea salt, sesame oil, and those diced cucumbers. Toss them well to bring all that internal vitality together. Prepare some crisp roasted seaweed on the side. Place the quinoa mixture and the seaweed on your favorite plate. Simply wrap a spoonful of the mix in a piece of seaweed and enjoy. It's incredibly simple, but so satisfying. I love how the light crunch and savory flavor provide such a stable, grounding energy. Eat well, feel light.